Dear all, I'm just gonna make a very simple and superb drink. So it's going to be with just two simple ingredients. One is a dry ginger powder. Other one I have used is jaggery, palm sugar, or even honey you can use. For this, to make this particular drink, I'm just going to add 1 glass of water. So just going to use 1 glass of water. So I've taken 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, which I'm going to add to this. So now I'm just going to add the jaggery, the palm sugar, or even honey you can use. Honey, if you are using, after staining this water, you have to add the honey. If it is a palm sugar or a brown sugar or a jaggery, you can directly use it, add it right now. So now it's going to get boiled. Just wait for a minute. So this particular drink with a lot of nutritional benefit as well, which is a dry ginger is basically an anti-inflammatory and which will also aid in a digestion, and it's going to be a useful to get rid of to burn your fat, and also if anyone is suffering from a mild cold, cough, or a sore throat or something, this drink is going to do a tremendous work. So it's almost ready. So this particular drink can be given to all age group, that is starting from the children to an adult, because it's going to be very simple to make as well. So what I'm going to do, it is almost done. So now I'm just going to filter this. So once if it is done, so you need to wait for a few minutes, then you can just switch off your flame, and now we are just going to filter this. Yes, our drink is ready. As I told you, it's going to be very simple and really superb. If you try this out, you can able to see how simple and easy it is. With the two simple ingredient, we have made this drink, which is going to be really super. Please do try in your home, and please send your suggestions and comments. Thank you.